Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your uh, account. So let's go straight into it. So I assume that you have already logged in. Now what you need to do is head over here to the top right corner where you see these three vertical dots. Then head over here to the settings, and what you need to do now is simply, just scroll down and you will see with the red text delete my account. Now this will permanent delete your account, so you need to be really sure you want to delete that, and if you are, then you will delete an account and all of your data right here with this button. Now you will get the instructions on your email. Now as you can see right here, I got the email request that I want to Workflowy account be deleted. And what we need to do now, we just need to confirm account deletion, and that's basically it. Now, this link will expire in 10 minutes, so if you change your mind, but you are already basically press this button here, it's not end of the world, because you already, if if you leave it for 10 minutes, then account won't be deleted yet. So you need just to confirm here in the email. So if you don't want that, just leave it like it is. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.